We are so proud to introduce you to Migratory Bird Joint Ventures. Migratory Bird Joint Ventures are voluntary regional partnerships. We are made up of federal, state, and provincial agencies working closely with private industry, private landowners, nonprofits, tribes, academia, and others. Established by the North American Waterfowl Management Plan in 1986, 26 joint ventures in the US, Canada, and Mexico implement cost-effective conservation that engages thousands of partners to conserve over 33 million acres by leveraging non-federal funding with federal dollars. Migratory Bird Joint Ventures provide economic vitality for communities. Our projects support jobs in restoration, technology, food production, outdoor recreation, and more. Joint venture partnerships support working lands conservation, including efforts on private lands and active management of public lands. Our partnerships work across boundaries to find solutions for complex conservation issues. We strengthen connections between people and nature by conserving habitat that provides recreation opportunities for everyone. Our projects contribute to clean and sustainable water supplies, flood and wildfire control, natural disaster protection, and pollution management, supporting healthy communities. Joint ventures across the country are all unique. What unites us is our mission to work together to build and sustain a healthy world for birds, other wildlife, and people. Please join us in this important work.